Tired of seeing this kind of images all over social media and still wondering how to create these images. So stop worrying and let's see how we can create these images using AI within minutes for free. So let's get started. Open any browser and search ChatGPT. If you are using this for first time, please log in, create a new chat and upload your image. And type prompt, convert this image into Ghibli style and click on enter. Till the image is getting ready, let us understand what is Studio Ghibli Art style. In 2008, a person named Miyazaki Hayao co-founded Studio Ghibli. In a recent interview, Miyazaki broke down into tears as he spent his whole life creating these images, but now we are able to create these images using AI with just one prompt. It is easy for AI as it is collecting data from different sources and giving you the result, but creating a product from scratch is very difficult. So I request everyone to please use this in a limited way and don't misuse as it will disrespect the owner of this art style. As you can see, our image is ready. You can also try with different landscapes or product images, and also you can play with different styles such as pixel style or any other design form, etc. As we are using free version of ChatGPT, it allows user to create 2 images per day. If you want to generate more than 2 images per day, you can purchase a premium pack. Try this style and let me know in the comment section.